get the Omega Speedmaster Professional kit,
Shows how long that thing is.
this thing is ridiculous. It's 21.5 inches long.
And only one buckle.
And it's only got one buckle, and you're like, what am I gonna do with this? I don't have my spacesuit anymore, I got rid of it. So apparently someone on the Omega forums had come up with a way to utilize the strap, which it takes a minute. But
Shout out to that cat.
yeah, shout out to somebody maybe named Rusty.
Rusty.
Old Rusty. So you take it and you put the hook, the loop side.
The business end.
Well, you just put the loop side down so that you have the ribbon facing each other, ribbon sides facing each other. You go through, and what you're actually doing is you're just flipping this out so that you can continue on ribbon side up still through the keeper, and then you can put it on. This will make sense in a second. Go around again. It's not the easiest trick. Then you go through the keeper again. And then
You need a buddy.
no, you can do it. If it's so long that you can actually kind of do it yourself. If you like to do it yourself. Boom. Through the other one. It is tricky. This really feels like it's
Not stable.
well, it's not bad. It's just not great. Like, there's a reason why they also give you
A short one.
a short one, because this
Shall
is
we?
yeah. Get in there. There we go. All right, and then around. The problem I see with this is that it sits crazy high off your wrist.
Let's get that long.
A little bit tighter here. There you go. So you can wear it. Proof you can actually wear this. It does sit really high. People say that it's very comfortable, which I can attest to being very comfortable. The only downsides is that this is the security for maintaining its position on your wrist.
And connectivity in general.
And connectivity in general, and it sits a good almost a centimeter off of your body,
Oh, wow.
which is fine if you're doing something. I don't know, maybe if you're in space that would make sense. I don't know. It's kind of nice.
Spacesuit.
Yeah, but it is ultimately designed to be
A tchotchke.
well, it's tchotchke, but it's meant to go around your spacesuit. So impressive.